Next, weather chief meteorologist and hurricane specialist Ivan Cabrera joins us in 20 feet of water.
Yeah,
this is a scary situation.
No, but let's be clear about that. So 20-foot waves well offshore, right? We're not talking about a storm surge that's going to be coming in. That's going to be 1 to 2 feet at best as the storm even moves a little bit further to the east. So this is going to be, folks that know what they're doing up there with the boats, and the 20-foot waves are going to be off the coast. So let's get that there. 5 p.m. advisory, 85-mile-an-hour winds. Going to be a coastal low for New England here, no question, as it continues moving up to the north, eventually into the Gulf of Maine and the Bay of Fundy there. And well, Nova Scotia is going to get, I think, the brunt of what will be the worst winds, which at that point will be, anywhere from 50, 60 mile an hour. I think Boston, places like Cape Cod, up towards the Upper Cape, Provincetown, probably getting, upwards of 40, 50 mile an hour wind gusts. That would be the peak, I think, of the storm as it passes to their east there as we head into the weekend Saturday night. In fact, I think the bulk of the rain, because it's shifted further east even more, is going to be offshore here. They'll get some rain, but it's not going to be, 5, 6, 7 inches. It's going to be more like 1 to 2 at most right along the coast there. All right, that's not the only thing we're tracking. Not just Lee, Margot up to the north, but the tropical wave that has, pretty good potential here. This will develop into a tropical depression. It will be Tropical Storm Nigel by this weekend, and eventually perhaps gaining even hurricane strength. But look at these forecast models there. We like to see that climbing latitude up to the north, so that by the time it gets, where Lee was north of the Lesser Antilles, this thing is way up to the north by a good 1,000 miles. So we're looking good. Oh, and there's a game tonight, I hear. Florida State's not playing. That's all right. The youth there are going to be dealing with some showers and storms. In fact, they're already firing here. We talked about this yesterday. The pattern has shifted. We're now into a stormier pattern, which is going to hold through the upcoming weekend. So just keep that in mind. You're going to have plenty of dry and sunny times during the day, but then in the afternoon, this is going to what it's going to look like here with plenty of showers and thunderstorm coverage. So Homestead getting in on that, place like Redland. This will continue to fill in, not just across the south, but there's still a boundary there that will continue to firestorms as we head into the next couple of hours. So keep that in mind. Even if it's not raining outside your house right now, it likely will in the next 2 to 3 hours, and then things will continue to wind down as we head through tonight, and we'll set up for what will be a stormier pattern setting up for Friday here as we kick off the weekend. Already a sea breeze front there developing with a few showers and storms, and then things continue to bubble up through the afternoon, and those tend to come back towards the coast. When they really get going strong across the Everglades, they'll pay us a visit again on Friday night, and then we'll clear things out. And this is going to be a pattern that will just repeat itself as we head through the upcoming weekend. Saturday, same deal. And it's going to be high coverage as well. Not a rainout. We need the sun to be able to make the thunderstorm, so there'll be plenty of that. But by the time the storms get going, the air mass is going to be so tropical here that we're going to have plenty of coverage. 60%. In fact, we'll leave it there through the weekend into early next week. At least that'll keep temperatures back closer to normal, around 90 degrees.